Hold up. Hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play.
Oh, shawty, I don't mind when you work until 3. If you
my favorite chocolate. Alright, gonna save some, put in the fridge, eat it tomorrow. There we go, save it for tomorrow. Can't wait to eat that chocolate that I saved. Can't wait.
Came from way back. I did, I came from way back fast. Fucking use your eyes, you cunt.
Sorry. Yo, can I have some chocolate, please? Please. Come on. No. Please. No. Please. Get your own, man. Get your own. Please, Us, don't be like that. I'll do everything for you. If Dad tells you to wash the dishes, I'll wash it. I'll fold your clothes. I'll make your bed. You can be player 1. I'll let you be player 1, Us. Please. Honest, dude. Honest, promise. Honest, promise. Cross my heart, hope you die, please. You're lying, man. Honest, you can't say God's name in vain. No. Watch this, I'll do it then. Promise, us. Honest to Buddha's, come on. Fine then. Here. Charles, my nigga. Charles. Sorry. So, follow me. Sorry. Go wash the dishes. Psst. You go do it. Sorry. You're going to hell now, you lied. Nah, just it. Nah. Hi everyone, it's Donnie from Donnie's Adventures. I just want to wish everyone a massive happy Easter. Just to keep in mind that wherever you're going, wherever you're not going, be safe, be aware of your surroundings. To all the parents, for the kids, give them heaps of chocolate. It's one time. Make sure they brush their teeth. Let's just remember the real reason behind Easter. If it wasn't for our Redeemer, our Savior Jesus Christ that died on the cross, we wouldn't be here today. So don't be an egg, be an Easter egg. Amen.
Man, some niggas just jumped me,
bro. Fuck that, nigga.
Nigga need Samoans.
My mama calling me for dinner. I can't do that.
Them niggas ain't got my back.
Them niggas built like tree trunks. All you can do is shoot them motherfuckers. What you doing in Carson anyway?
You robbing to the little
This nigga want to catch a fight with the Samoans.
Oh, you got to shoot them.
Yes, I want to come first. Yeah, I'm the champion. Yeah. Sorry. No. Sorry, shit. Sorry, if I got you, yeah.
I don't know nothing. You can do life in prison for this.
I done already told you. I don't know nothing.
You leave me no choice.
hello, is it?
To every one of you guys that complain about me not answering my phone, this is why.
What a day. So glad to be in my bed. Gotta go sleep for work tomorrow. Mom. Dad. Oh, it's just a dream.
That DFP. When a Samoan girl wants you, and your mom says that she is family.
Oh shit. Oh, we are related. All the Pollys in the world.